Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn what's the difference between finish and end. It means how to use the word finish and end. In which situation we will use finish and in which situation we will use end. First of all, the word finish is used when something complete some task. When someone complete something, we use the word finish, or when someone complete some activity, and the word and is used when something complete itself, right? When something complete by itself, we use the word and when someone complete some task or some activity, we use the word finish. Now I have an example. The brothers will blank school both together at the end of this year. Now, what will we put here? What is the correct answer? And, ending, finish, or finishing? First of all, the brothers. Someone is blank school both together. Someone will complete something. It means someone will complete some task. So as we have learned that when someone completes something or someone completes some task, we use the word finish, right? So we will put finish. Finish is the correct answer. Now I have another example, that is, you can't miss it. It's that tall building right at the blank of the road. Now, as we have learned before, that when something is complete by itself or something is terminating, we use the word and. In this example, here someone is not completing something, so we will put and here, right? You can't miss it. It's that tall building right at the end of the road, right? Now here some activity is completing by itself. Something is terminating here.